In this video, I will show you how to find blocked users on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So maybe you want to find the blocked users because there's someone you now want to unblock, or maybe you just want to see who you've blocked on Discord. Whatever reason you want to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up Discord. And once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your user settings. Once you're in your user settings, what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto content and social. Then what you want to do in the content and social section is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page where you're going to find your blocked accounts. So this is going to display all the users that you've blocked on Discord, and if you do want to unblock anyone from here, you can see next to the right hand side of each user, you're going to see an unblock button. So all you need to do is simply give that a click. That's going to unblock that person and remove them from the block list on Discord. So that is how to find blocked users on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.